me and Mitch are heading southeast right now. We're heading to a place called Jacaranda Hill Farm. It's about an hour just outside of Perth. We're going for a cheeky one night camping trip. Just proving to you guys it is quite easy to get out and about without having to go really far south or without having to go really far north either. We should be there in about 20-ish or so minutes. We're hoping the weather's going to hold out tonight. It's been quite cold and wet in Perth this past week. Like 3 nights ago we got over 40 mil of rain. So we're hoping we've got a little bit of a clear patch. We're hoping we might get a nice sunset and sunrise if the clouds decide to open up for us. Just come out here to check the fences, make sure they're still there. Keep all the livestock here. Don't want my dinner getting away. Hey, show us the chocolates. Oh, not that the Fabulicious one. That is a proper snap.
I can't say it on camera.
Because by the time you come down, you're going to be too far down, I think. Bring the wheels up now, you'll be level.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get the back of the car closer to the fire.
Oh, true.
Do I need to find a rock, do you reckon?
You couldn't see it, man.
I didn't see it either. That rock's like just as flat.
No, it's not. Look at that.
What'd you do? Just swapped it back to my other rock, but just laid it flat.
Ow, bro, that was so loud. You're not going to get much flatter than that.
A lot better.
I got bigger problems. My floor does go like this at the back part.
I do want that kind of thing. Ask Caitlin. Caitlin had a good sleep in one of them ones.
How good?
She spewed everywhere in it. Original water crackers.
Yeah, how long to cook potatoes?
Man, I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Hey man, I got you some. There we go.
I just inhaled a mouthful of that. Oh, that's dinner. I'm good for dessert. I'm having some America. Oh, at least I can't get stung on the mouth. What?
Break it.
I just sprayed it straight into a cup. Oh, fuck's sake.
Went ahead a lot, boys.
We still need to get like a leaf blower.
We need a lot of things. think we need to buy a chainsaw. We'll do good. Sure. What about steaks? 2 steaks between 3 people.
Blake's vegetarian, right?
Oh. Like we got a kilo, 2 kilos of spuds.
Yeah.
Because we're just going to eat potato. Probably going to be undercooked potato as well. Because we didn't bring a pot to cook them in.
Yeah, I said to Blake before, the potatoes are going to take ages to cook.
Boil them, cut them small, boil them.
Mm.
The curry take a while too, because you normally cook it slowly and let the meat cook down, because it's normally a cheap meat, not a lean, grass-fed Australian beef rump steak.
Alright, well, I'll have steak. You guys can
I'm
have...
cutting this up.
You can have your carrot.
You're not having any meat, mate. Actually, there's a cow just in the paddock.
How far?
It's just it's sliding off, guys. Because it's not level. I got it. Oh, we're already nearly boiling. Look at that.
Maybe I'm just being a negative Nancy.
Yeah, go away, Connor.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are going to judge my cooking.
No, you're doing great.
I'm just winging it.
You're doing so good, Mitch. Oh yeah, yummy, yummy. That's cooked.
Pinjarra Woolies. Oh boy.
Okay.
Because last time we went to, was it Coles or Woolies? Coles.
Oh,
You
that's
got us kicked out.
Yeah, we did get kicked out.
You got us kicked out. We didn't know. I did try.
How are the potatoes?
Cooking. You know what we need? A really thin, flat rock. So we can use like a grill plate so we can heat up the naan. Are you going to use that keyboard tomorrow if you burn their fingers?
I'll have to go into the workshop. Could be worse. Could have got a handsaw or circular saw and cut your fingers as a young tacker and got no feeling in a couple of your fingers, so when you're trying to tighten up bolts you don't actually know if you're grabbing the bolt or not. That would suck. Am I turning it? I don't know. I can't see it either. Just thinking it's still stuck on the end of your finger. It's on the floor. Don't even.
Been doing it for 20 minutes.
Yeah, you don't legit. You got no feeling in your fingers. You don't even know if holding the bolt or not. Potatoes done yet?
No.
How much at the city?
Yeah. It's I know. If you look that way, you'll actually see where James lives.
Man, right. Legit. That you see the smoke coming out over the distance, like right between those two trees. That's him on the train, on the steam train. James probably drove past us down there.
No, you get us freeway.
Honestly, good
Do you
choice.
reckon they'd get some make up here if you popped in the morning?
He'd take it, get you. If you said to him, James, if you said to him tonight, James, we'll have a beer, he'd get you.
Tell him in the highlights.
He'd get here in the gets. Got to try and stop all the spuds flying out everywhere. Actually, there's a board. Can you change the board? He said boiling water is extremely hot.
What type of insight you get from Mitch?
James, I need your Stanley.
He got so angry this morning he rocked up and all the tools were out and spread out.
What?
Because you didn't put anything away. And I was like, what didn't get put away? And he's like, oh, this. And I was like, yeah, I used all them. He was so raging at you. And I was like, it was me. And he wanted to be mad but couldn't. How's that naan coming along, Blake? You looking after it?
Yep.
Stopping it from burning?
Looks cooked to me, bro.
Yeah, let me.
Gosh, my everyone, man. Not bad. I lived 2 minutes on that.
We're at the Four Seasons Patisserie Bakery and Cafe, I think it was, or Cafe and Bakery. Mitch, you got what? Your steak and pepper pie. I got my traditional sausage rolls. I actually got bacon and cheese this time. But what's it? Integrity, taste, price, all rounded up. Right, your pie, $5.80. It's on the cheapest side. Like I'm pretty sure the last one was $7. $5 for the sausage roll.
Is it good or not? The hot. That everywhere.
It's hot. You're right. Mate, you've had 4 bites. You should know by now. You haven't got any steak yet. It's just all been peppers. I reckon value for money. Value for no whole numbers. Value for money. I'm going 6.2 out of 10. Yeah. And then 6.2 out of 10. Integrity. Mine hasn't fallen apart. The back end hasn't blown out of mine. I think it's more of a pipe. But
Given it 5.6, it's going to fall apart.
you reckon it's going to fall apart? 5.6. So 6.
It's already falling apart.
Last one taste. Mine's actually shocking.
Yeah.
I'm going like 2.4.
Wow.
Well, like there's no bacon and there is 0 cheese in this, and I'm 5 bites in.
See, I thought I was going low by giving it a 5.2.
So I'm at a 14.2 at 30. 17.2.
What sort of steak pie? It's a mince pie.
What did I say? I was
14 point something.
4.7. This is subpar. Four Seasons in bite. Just ain't it yet. Maybe we had a bad day. Midweek blunder on a Wednesday morning.